A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So on this weekly market analysis, before we start, I'd like to remind, if you are joining us on Facebook Live, this upcoming Wednesday, we are starting earlier than usual. We are starting at 4:08 p.m. because we have a workshop running in Singapore. And if you happen to be in Singapore and if you wish to attend our session, please click the link at the bottom. So looking forward to see you. Apart from that, let us look through our weekly market analysis. Euro dollar is on its bearish movement based off the daily chart. Head down to the 4-hour chart. We can see that over here there is a break and close above the previous high. The market came down and head down to 1-hour chart. We can see that also the market is having a consolidation over here. Back to the daily chart while I share with you my analysis. On the daily chart, there is this bearish downtrend channel that has been broken, having this white candle over here that has broken it. Head down to 4-hour chart, you're able to spot a bullish bad pattern within the downtrend channel over here. Alright, so there's a bullish bad formation going to hit and engage the trade. Is weaving a very nice harmonic pattern movement. And 1-hour chart, nothing much. So I'm waiting for a buying opportunity over here at 1.1207. The targets has been shared to my subscriber. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.